everyone, I'm Gervin De La Peña and we're discussing the digital clampometer.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ken Talong Arquivedo.
Good morning everyone. We are here to discuss the digital clampometer. Ever wondered how to measure current city without touching live wires?
That's where a digital clampometer comes in. It's handy tools for electricians and technicians.
A clampometer measures electrical current using electromagnetic induction without breaking the circuit.
It's great for checking current in wires, motors, and electrical panels.
This is the clampometer. It opens to around a wire.
And here's the digital display function dial and buttons for different function measures like AC, DC, voltage, resistance, and frequency.
To measure the current, turn the dial to the correct mode.
The clamp is around on wire, just one. If you clamp to the readings, will be an accurate.
See the current displayed instantly.
No need to strip wires or make direct contact, safe and easy.
Safety tips. Always check the meter's maximum range before use.
And never clamp around a multi-wire cable or you'll get the wrong reading. Wrong reading. Clamp.
Thanks for watching. Like and share if you found this helpful.
This is how to use a digital clampometer.
This is also how to use these two wires to check if there's a amperes in here.
Done na.